Fighter jet. These are the materials needed. Remove the parts from the model frame. Insert the tab into the tail of the fuselage. Insert the tab into the aircraft nose. Attach the wings. Attach the tail fin. Insert the propeller onto the motor. First stick double-sided tape onto the motor. Then attach the motor to the tail of the aircraft. Begin installing the aircraft wheels. The aircraft wheels are now installed. Apply double-sided tape to the bottom of the battery case. Attach the battery case onto the wing. Connect the motor and battery case plugs. Organize the wires neatly. Install two AA batteries. Make sure not to reverse the battery polarity. The fighter jet is now complete. Turn on the battery switch. Let's test it together. Turn off the switch when not in use.